As the Dalai Lama once said, calm mind brings inner strength and self-confidence, so that's very important for good health. Welcome to our guide on Introduction to Meditation, Techniques and Benefits. Meditation is the art of silencing the mind and mastering the present moment. Today, we'll explore simple techniques to begin your meditation journey and the profound benefits it brings. First, create a tranquil environment, a clean, quiet space with minimal distractions. A cushion or chair will help you sit comfortably. Decide on a consistent time for meditation. Early morning or evening can be ideal for their natural calmness. Sit in a comfortable position with your back straight. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to settle into the space. Focus on your breath, the lifeline of your practice. As you breathe in and out, observe the rise and fall of your chest. When distractions arise, gently acknowledge them and return your focus to your breath. Imagine them as leaves flowing away in a stream. To end your session, slowly open your eyes and take a moment to appreciate the stillness. Carry this peace with you throughout your day. Regular meditation leads to reduced stress, improved concentration, better sleep, and an overall enhanced quality of life. Meditation connects us with the universal human experience. It brings us back to our essence and opens us to new possibilities of being. Begin your meditation practice today and discover the tranquility within. Like, share, and subscribe for more guides to enriching your life. Namaste.